Need talented staff? Want to hire the best students? Welcome to ITdepo. All you need to do is give us a candidate profile. Everything else will be done by ITdepo. We hold many educational events and get CVs from talented students. Next, we identify gaps and develop each student. In programming languages, algorithms, soft skills, other. Minimum costs for finding and hiring juniors. And a minimum of risks. When the student's knowledge and skills meet the requirements of the company, you will be the first to know about the candidate. What are you waiting for? Leave a vacancy profile and get carefully selected and trained prospective juniors.